Hello, and welcome to this deep dive informational video on prescriptive maintenance, the evolution from reactive to intelligent asset management. I'm here to explain the most advanced form of asset management available today. Let's start with the real cost of unexpected failure. Unplanned downtime in continuous process plants can cost upwards of $10,000 to over $50,000 per hour. About 40% of all maintenance spend is reactive, and 70% of failures are self-induced, often due to poor maintenance timing. Maintenance has evolved through 4 stages. Stage 1 is reactive, fixing only after failure. Stage 2 is preventative, using time-based schedules. Stage 3 is predictive, using sensors to detect early failure, but still requiring expert interpretation. Stage 4, prescriptive, is the most advanced, where AI generates actions and auto-work orders, closing the insight-action gap. What makes prescriptive maintenance different? Predictive maintenance tells you a failure is coming. Prescriptive maintenance tells you exactly what to do about it and when. This includes automated diagnosis, specific recommendations on parts and timing, and CMMS auto-work orders that convert insight to action without human triage. Prescriptive maintenance involves 4 layers: IoT sensor collection for continuous high-frequency data, edge and cloud AI processing to estimate remaining useful life, prescriptive action generation for specific part and skill recommendations, and finally, CMMS integration and feedback, where completed job data improves model accuracy over time. The technical process moves from raw vibration signal to maintenance action. Key technologies include FFT and MCSA for fault detection, and LSTM neural networks for remaining useful life prediction. Other tools like digital twins and IoT edge computing also play vital roles. Prescriptive maintenance delivers significant real-world impact. Expect a 30% to 50% reduction in unplanned downtime, a 25% to 40% reduction in maintenance costs, and a 2 to 4 times extension in asset life. Most critically, it leads to near-zero in-service catastrophic failure. Prescriptive maintenance is highly impactful across various sectors. For oil and gas, it prevents massive downtime costs. In power and utilities, it prevents catastrophic failures. It helps manage harsh environments in steel and metals, and maximizes consumable life in cement and mining. Here are common questions about adopting this approach. Do you need to replace your CMMS? No. AI platforms integrate with existing systems. How much data is needed? Pre-trained models mean systems flag anomalies within weeks. Is this only for large plants? No. Mid-sized facilities now achieve clear ROI in the first year. The path to the intelligent plant transitions from accepting failure to preventing it. The technology is proven, combining sensor data, AI-driven analysis, and automated work order generation to achieve continuous asset management. The question is when your organization is ready to make the shift.